Yeah, 1313. Woyoy! Woyoy! Wagwan people, wagwan, wagwan. I is our day here. Once a big respect all massive all crew. What is guaning?
Ragashanti.
And there I know who this me a chat to you now in I night here.
One Mark Payne, man.
Mark Payne. You a give the woman them pain. I make them love life drain. I make them man under strain. No, what I say?
Yeah, easy, man.
Easy. Everything is everything.
Everything.
So your voice sounds so low up party. I want me to you upset about something about you?
Nah, man, you good, man.
You can't make come and stress you out, you know that.
Nah, so we don't have that in a way.
Eh?
We don't have that at all, Shanti.
You know have it now, but woman did stress you out before in your life though. Talk it true.
Yeah, we have stress in our life already.
No, you never answer a question a while ago. You go around the thing. I ask you a straight up question. Woman never stress you out yet.
Yeah, woman stress me out already, Shanti.
Okay, woman stress me out already. I'm not afraid. Woman never make a ball yet when you did younger.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, woman make me ball and walk like me an idiot. That never happen now though. But me I tell her, you know, say you have enough people I'm afraid for admit that though.
You have to be a man to admit that, you know.
Yeah. No, me not lie. Me get some wicked stress out back in the day when me just a come in at the game. You see me? Yeah. Me get some batterings and thing about me in love and thing. You understand? The love thing I run different, you know, for me.
Like yeah, sometimes you can love unconditional, but some people love with conditional.
No, them have a saying out there now say it may hard for you get a man for love, you know, but when men love, them love unconditionally, but women love conditionally. You believe that?
Yes, man, that's what I think, man.
Women always love conditionally and man love unconditionally when man go for love. Don't.
Only way I go with conditional is when time she break certain things now they get some meaning will give away something. You understand me?
What you mean when she what? When she give her the something?
When she give away the buff.
When she give her the buff, what man? What you ask about that?
That is a no idea. No condition that idea.
So hold on. Why would you have a problem if a woman give her something where she own?
But when they give away something with them where you own that is a problem.
No, but we'll go back to the thing. You say you don't have a problem if you're there with a woman and she go, what you mean give away? If you're there with a woman, right, and she go sleep with somebody else, she never give away nothing.
She let it out to your wife.
No, she do what she want to do. It's for her or something. So she never give away nothing for you. No, what you mean by that? What you mean by that? Because I want you to know, this thing about you just bring up right as is a fundamental problem when men face, That's why man out there I do all kind of damage and wickedness to woman and all them thing there, But she give them a pum pum. Give her what kind of pum pum? Or you for one woman pum pum? Woman want them one a pum pum.
I feel them pum pum.
It's for them pum pum. So this whole thing about give away, just even those first two words. I would suggest men drop that boat give away. She go do something what she want to do. If she want to go shopping, she go shopping. If she want to choose to walk down the road, she choose to walk down the road. If she want to choose to sleep with somebody else, it's for her. She never give her nothing for you.
So Uncle Shanti,
yeah.
So if your wife give you something,
yeah.
Still
No. What me I say is,
no, we ask a question. I jump over it.
Yeah. If my wife give her something, if me I go stay with her.
Yeah.
No, well, first of all, if we have an agreement that she not supposed to do so and so, and she go do it, then me I go say something when enough man I go vex with her and thing or whatever, but me a old man now so me can't keep it real. There could be certain circumstances, there could be some rare circumstances where I say, nah, yeah, me I go stay in at this point, give it the dynamics in question. But in general, we're not punk and simp around here. So if certain thing happen, I go say, well, you want go on about your business and thing, nothing wrong with that. But me not kill her, me not box her down. And at this stage of my life, me not ball over no woman and run down no woman and beg no woman to stay with me. Not happening. Eh? Eh?
Make she go on there. If she want to go on, she go on.
No, I want to tell them I don't have ear to read that. Suppose me tell you something now. You know, say most people, most man who upset about burning and say them unforgiving about burning and whatever, most of them man they burn the same woman who them a talk about and whatever, or them a burn them woman and know say them couldn't manage it. You believe me? Right? The man them are more reasonable upon them something there and whatever, and we say, boy, I could see if we can work it out or what, you know, or blah 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 whatever. Them man, you know, them 10 feet, them less like if you say, oh, no, go give her the something. I want them 10, them less like if you have focus upon them something. If you understand what I'm trying to say?
I feel alright. She have a right to give.
Listen to me, man. The only time a man can lay claim on a woman front, and me not wrong him, enjoy it at that time they too. When you send it up and thing and I bend it up on her and thing, you can't ask her, who for something this? And she must say it's your one. When you're in it. When you're in it, you can't lay a claim to it because you're in it. You can't slant it there so, lean it there so, and you can't drop down your pelvis and go up at the top so you start hit the G spot and listen to Mass Raga, we are talk to the young youth them now. And you can listen to her body. And then see what she like with this and that, what she like and position her. And at that time when you're in it, you can lay a claim says you're one. But you see, once you come out of that,
I'm not here again.
It's not yours again. And even when you're in it, you know, it's an illusion you enjoy temporarily, you know. So even when you're in it and you say, hey, my girl, I offer something with this, boom, and send it up on her and all them things there, wind it up and curl. Even when you're in it and she say, it's your word, I'm not getting nobody else. Jesus, and you know them genial, yo. No, some never feel so yet. No man never make me feel so yet. Me can't wind it up on my son. Yes, you can enjoy that at that moment. But the minute you come out of that, worse when you're not seeing her, is no longer your one. Alright?
Shanti a real Mets man.
You see it. So where are you hail from?
The way they live in New York, you know, okay, party in New York, you know, but
see
I moved from New York and got just go buy a local cabinet.
You see it, they give thanks, man. They, you know, when people move out of the city, they either go Long Island, look a bit upstate or over Jersey. And some people go up a CT, you see it.
Shanti.
Yeah.
When you look into this, everybody on your podcast.
Yeah.
You see, New York I push people out there right now. Because guess what? The rent I go up.
Yeah, man.
MT, I put on a whole heap of regulation on the road.
Mm-hmm.
Because they're going to some era when no meter never there.
Yeah.
I put meter in there.
Yeah.
When you come to New York and make a double park, and 2 tickets me get.
No, man, I murder, man. Them a kill you with the ticket, them down.
And the rent again.
Mm-hmm.
I saw some people, and I have a 2 family in New Jersey where is the tenant them pay $3,300 for 3 bedroom 2 bathroom. So imagine New York.
Yeah, man, it billions over here in New York, man.
Some people still fight the fight in New York.
Well, you see, you know, one of them things. New York is New York, though, you know. No care you move out, you know, people are going to roll back up in this.
No,
I
still
New York, man. I still New York. New York is like the gateway to the world.
New York is the gateway, but we kill it and it will build you.
You see, anyway, stop. Big up yourself, you know, and big up our Jerseyites. You hear me, I say?
Yeah, man.
Large up yourself, man. Protect yourself, man. Mark P and MP. Them for know. All right? Protection. Yeah. Cool.
Enjoy the rest of it.
Go some, man. Balance. Well, people, it's been a minute since me over here. I don't know the levels and thing and whatever, but we're back in our place here now and whatever. And people may have a brand new system, brand new computer, and sitting set the bandwidth like wow. It thing upgrade proper. So it can't be, we can't have no resource limitation right now because it thing up certain way. Jimmy Q, big up yourself, you know. People they say that you out there. Name Jimmy Q in I chat. I want my little brother them there, you know, him and DJ Chris Cross and Brown Boss. You understand? I like me picking them. You understand? Yeah, I mean your Mass Raga, you understand? So I wanna make sure so I wanna follow Jimmy Q. See him there, him in I chat. Jimmy Q. Follow him and listen up his music, them and all them thing there and whatever, and you know. Everything is everything. When you don't know the levels and thing. Good night, gentle people who are going. It's a pleasure for just there juggle with you again. TikTok. So the thing said, well, you don't know. You just Claude, it's a Raga, you bring back anything for me. Well, and I don't know, so boy, Africa might think the right, Africa and Asia. Yeah. When I don't know, so we have the TamFam Travel Club and thing and whatever, and we carry groups all over the world. I will not too long come back from my favorite place in Africa. I've been to several countries in Africa. I mean, I like Ghana, I like the best so far. I love Ghana the best. Partly because it has like a lot of connections, cultural connections and heritage connections with Jamaica or Jamaican culture and whatever. And I'm just thoroughly fascinated by stuff like that. And I just fully appreciate the organic connection that Ghana has with Jamaica. And many of you know I'm also an anthropologist, and we study culture, we study identity, and the connections therein. And Ghana is just, the connection between Ghana and Jamaica is just so profound. And it is so fun too, when you feel it and you understand it and thing. So I am a strong advocate in doing what you love. So I run the TamFam Club and I carry groups over to Ghana, But I've been to a bunch of countries in Africa. I've been to Ethiopia. Yeah, I've been to Ethiopia, Shashamane, where we have our Jamaican folks over there and others, Rasta community. I've been to Kenya. Okay. I've been to where we go out there go up on the safari. Jesus, I have to take time with me or whatever. Yeah. I want to go out this. Yeah, I've been to a bunch of countries in Africa, but I just love Ghana. I just love Ghana with a difference, I just feel Ghana, That's all, that's all the thing there. So we bring groups over there. So that is what the person was referring to just now when them post and I said, me not bring back anything for her or whatever, because she knows some of it over there and things saying. But I don't know, so we keep back and things, so we just want to hear them call in and thinking of anything. I want to talk to Mass Rag about and things. Send on and don't hang on, and make a thing go on. People, what a thing are going for dancehall out there. Look how the thing gonna lead again. Right? It is like the thing just upgrade and be some big venue. The dancehall artists them are performing right now, And the Gargamel come out and the Gargamel go so boom and elevate up a thing. Would you elevate up a thing? You see it? And go UBS Arena and all these things and what I think him the job back at Barclays too. And then, Addy come out and go so boom, Barclays back to back and thing. I don't hear shell it out what the and thing. Bounty a forward with theme show come up and sitting. Beanie a come up with theme show must over UBS Arena. So a big things are going on. You did have some multi artist show in a big venue now. And that's all the thing they know, people. It's just like a resurgence, at the dancehall thing in our country. The place them, the big venue them in a New York City. Them a drop back and I say, I want to go on with the Jamaican community. How we make money off of them, so. This is so good. We never know so the market out there like that. Yeah, them a deal with the thing billions. I want to know so from long time, a raga say dancehall, even though I don't know enough of the youth them sang them right now, the new generation of dancers, I don't really know them songs. I'm afraid for telling them. I'm not really into the, but I know the big artists, them, the Speng and the Massacre, them, and the Ray, the young youth, them are going, but I don't know if any of them up there. So, Popcorn up there, Popcorn, yeah, Popcorn. Yeah, I don't know. Dexter thing different, Dexter thing different, but I don't know. Like in terms of which one of them artists I know. Cause Dexter performing at them big venue there already, but him do it with other artists, like a group thing. As opposed to like you have some single artists just carry it and have some guests with them. And think, I can look over here because I know we start cuss me and that, but Raga, you know, read the chat, and Ray, because I know some on the rank, Yeah, but remember, don't pass on the place and go on like you can come rem with Miss Cherry Wash Belly. Sonia, are you that? Yeah. Sonia said, Jimmy, update Uncle Raga with the music. But nah lie, I don't know enough of the music them when them when them young artists here, juggle, all of the people them know the whole of them song word for word, I don't know the name, man, when them a juggle, man. But I'm just glad for them and thing. And me one of them where when I tell me a couple man like them, I say, yo, them youth are different that and yeah, them different. Them grew up in a whole different setting. Them not grew up with live band. Them grew up in a likes and follow and stream. I feel them thing that. And them grew up in a more global space than what we grew up in. So of course them thing different. So if them thing different, dancehall I go different. You understand what I say? So I'm just happy for the work going and thing, and I want the man them just go and think progressive same way and think big same way and know so the talent there, the market there and thing. I want them sustain the thing. That's why I'm glad when the Gargamel go at the teacher show. You understand? When the Gargamel go at the teacher show and I say unity I deal with, big up Buju Banton and thing when them go at the show and say unity I deal with and I support at the show. And you see when him go to Addy say, yo, see it there? Buju Banton was my mentor. But Addy humbly say Buju Banton was a mentor. And Buju inspire him. And of course, Addy give respect also to Bounty. Right? You hear Addy talk about it day and night. So yo, I remember the one big war did go on with Bounty and Addy, The war between Bounty and Addy did wickeder than the war between Murphy and between Gully and Gaza, Some of them don't even know that, And see it now. I love how the youth them a mature up the thing, man. And I realize say money have to make and then advance the culture and thing and big up Jamaica them look away there and all them something they done. But I love that thing then. Anyway, big up on yourself, but people, we're gonna talk about something here now, And before me even talk, I'm gonna hear on the input on it after this. But before me even talk, I'm gonna say something. I'm going to use the Lisa Hype situation to make the point. But I am not dissing Lisa Hype. This is not really about Lisa Hype. I'm going to talk about an aspect of the Lisa Hype situation that is actually generalized out there in society. And we have the opportunity for it to be illustrative of certain things where we need to be cognizant of, aware of, right, and learn from it, and not only learn, but apply it in our life so that we can live better, more fulfilling lives. So what I'm about to say, me don't want nobody to misunderstand when I say I'm going to call back my name and go tell Lisa, say me a diss her and so, but when me I say, cause this is not to diss Lisa, because me can tell you no say, Ragashanti was the only person on radio who did a defend Lisa from the get-go when the thing did bust out about her with the video and all them something from way back when, right? And people are beat me for boy, yeah, support slackness and she should not do this and that or whatever. Ragashanti was the only man, the only person on radio. Did I tell people something for go and loud woman cause you not go and like say she alone a swipe. When I go on like a she alone get headers and thing and the whole hypocrite them one time them they jump on her back and I take set pan her. Not only that, all one night time I never see Lisa Hype for a long time and I keep a show with ladies back in the day. Anybody can tell them. I say, Mama, where Lisa there? Where Lisa there? A years now we don't see Lisa. Bring her up. I fly her up for a show. I fly her up on the show. Yeah. And so Lisa, I see some food. I want to tell you where you disappear. I go come back out in this man. Right? And me keep a show with ladies Lisa Hype. And Aisha, who remember that show that Raga keeps? I just want to know, say, Ragashanti, a different Lisa Hype. But I have a point for me. You have some people out there in life, right? Women and men. So I use the Lisa Hype situation as an example, but it applies to men also. Listen to me now. There is nothing wrong with valuing yourself high. There is nothing wrong with valuing yourself high. Value yourself high. Nothing wrong with that. Value yourself high. But when you value yourself high and you believe you deserve high also from whoever it is you like, or you believe in that you deserve somebody on a high level because you value yourself so high, you have to be prepared for the reality will come with that. Right? And what am I getting at? The whole Lisa Hype thing as it unfolds, Lisa Hype is on record, and when I time she said, be a big boss she there with. She don't want to idiot man. Be a big boss she there with and thing and whatever, right? You remember she said that. I'm not going to the bag of other things than what she saying now. But remember Lisa said, be a top man she talked to. Now people, a whole heap of man want to look Lisa and probably don't know. A whole heap of man a look Lisa and whatever. And Lisa don't want them man there, right? Lisa did just happen now for a feature two man in particular. So make we talk about the two man them when Lisa did a feature, right? Addy, me know enough of them DJ them a go vex about this and whatever. But Vybz Kartel may well be the greatest lyricist dancehall has ever produced. Again, in my humble assessment, Vybz Kartel may well be the greatest lyricist dancehall ever produced. Right? Not only is he the greatest lyricist, but even though, according to conventional wisdom, he's not strong in certain areas, such as the looks era. It's not me say so. It's not me say so. All him say so too, right? Them claims that Vybz Kartel is not exactly like me. Me not cute by cute standard. Me not cute. Look at my head big and my nose big. Right? Me not cute, right? But me cool with my thing. I don't know, say me a madman already and me good, right? So me not cute, right? So put that aside with the looks thing. Vybz Kartel is talented. He's intelligent. He's articulate. And just like phenomenally talented. And may well be, again, the greatest lyricist dancehall has ever produced. And he has a catalog that is just ridiculously impressive, right? You know, Vybz Kartel, again, me never really go count out them something here, but Vybz Kartel may have the most hits than any other dancehall artist ever. I know you have some people, you know, being a man might disagree with this and thing, and you know, we can't talk about that. Being a man, I'm an artist, but me never like what him did I do with the Vybz Kartel thing and whatever. Him being a man a dancehall royalty, and him being a do and say some things where him end up kind of play himself and reduce him respect certainly way in relation to Vybz Kartel. I'm glad Kartel I ignore him and whatever. So Beanie have a battery of hits. Bounty have a battery of hits. Dada, Sizzler have a battery of hits. You have some artists out there with a whole pie. But I don't think them have as much as Vybz Kartel. So Vybz Kartel come out now from prison. And that is the man Lisa a draw for. Right? So in other words, Lisa draw for the man, the top man in a dancehall after he come out, right? And if him not the top man, the other man who might be the toughest man is Dexter, right? Dexter that is considered good looking. We just be objective now. Put the foolishness aside, but whatever, right? So Dexter Dapp is considered good looking. Dexter Dapp is incredibly talented. Dexter Dapp also, like Vibes Cartel, is very, very charismatic. Very charismatic. Dexter Dapp is you know, when him up on stage, he's, you know, one of the best performer on stage. And so Dexter Dapp is on the top of his game, right? Me not think any other artist in a dancehall what woman love more than Dexter Daps right now. Yeah, Beanie Man did that at one time, you know, when, you know, woman say, yo, just to join me, dash it out pan Beanie, you know, me that give him some right now, him brave enough to give me nothing to feed. We remember when Moses is the on them level, you see? I have certain other artists at different points, them did that, so Sham did that, so you have some artists when the woman them say good looking and, you know, when them talented, Sham did up the toe and whatever, and them with a, but me not think any other artist dep on the level where Dapper depend. For those of you know, Dapper is Dexter, you know, Adi, you know, the teacher, Vibes Cartel, you don't know the different name them, right? So Lisa Hype now is in a position now where she end up I got to one hell and powder house over the two man them in a dance hall where them are there on the highest heights in a dance hall and things, see? And accompanying her involvement with them is certain expectations. Right? So me and some people end up argue about this because them did a beat Addy and whatever. Me I said that may be true. He made it groom her and thing like that and whatever. Ray. But you don't know how life go. You know, we make mistake and all them something, but at some point, you have to come to some realization about the reality where you're in. What you think? You know think say other woman sleep with Dexter and Vibes Cartel? Yeah. You know think say other woman did in love with Dexter and Vibes Cartel? And did I expect Dexter and Vibes Cartel to take care of them, for love them and for wife them up and for make them number one? Yeah. Other woman go through that too. Whole heap of them go through that. I wish the boy, if him could have just big up me, if him could have just love me, I want another man to know I love him and think when girl. Yeah, enough other woman go through that. Enough of them ball yes and thing. Enough of them give them best sort out to Vibes Cartel and give them best sort out to Dexter and all them something there, hoping that it would be something will be reciprocated to them where them can feel like say yeah the thing legit and thing. But it never work out that way there for them. And what them do? Them ball and them go through them thing and whatever and ray. So you have woman who will sleep with a Dexter, or they with a Dexter, sleep with a cartel, they with a cartel and say, right you know, I know the thing set, you know, I don't fool myself, I know what kind of demand upon a man, I know some woman a dash front upon them man every day. So some woman may just do it because them like them. That's all. Them no want nothing else. Them like them. And next woman may do it and say, boy, may I do it and just take when me forget your man and so forth. And when I'm my time. And next person may say, no, me can't manage this. Me want a whole man for myself. So me can't get Dexter Vibes Cartel for myself or whatever. Me can't bother with it. Me can't bother with the heartache and all them. Some. The point I'm making, you have all these other women, when them there with a top man, them don't fool themselves. And don't get up into this type of victimology whereby, no, you owe me something and you're wicked. And thing, you know, when Lisa said when Dexter come in her, she feel him soul, leave him body and drop down in her good and whatever and this and that. And again, when I talk about Lisa and I say the situation is illustrative of what is going on out there. Many of you end up a juggle with a high profile person and then develop these expectations because submit to the high profile person in somewhere, I want to think that something is owed to you. And then when you don't get what you want, when you become this victim and I say the person is a wicked and all them. So no, the person is not a wicked. It's you make your choice. Go there with somebody who is tap a tap. And you have all these expectations now what's supposed to come over to you. Somehow you think say you special. Somehow you think you special. I want to end up and blame the people. Them no. Man, you do it too. Men, you do it too. No for you, man. You see some woman a flow upon some high level. Girl, I do her hair 2 times a week and nails I do regularly and thing. And she wear the most expensive this and girl look good because she take care of herself and whatever. And somehow, you want to look the woman, them, you go talk about what you have and what you can do and whatever. When you don't have it. And when the woman got they wouldn't know upon them terms there, what you bring up to them, or they wouldn't know upon the terms that they have been living by before them even know you or even start talk to you. The woman that live by a certain standard, and you as a man now, you run go and pick up hot girl and thing and this and that and ray. And you don't have the discretionary funds, you don't have the sustained income to deal with a woman like that. You are pick up at woman and have problem when man like at woman and I look at woman. Who not idiot? You can't have a hot girl and I think some man are gonna look at man are gonna look at every day because she hot girl. If you can't manage it, leave it alone. Some man who do it too. Right? Who not gonna spend a whole heap of money when you not have. I look at woman, I'm going to get the woman, I spend half the whole of the money, I'll go take out loan pound of 401k, I'm going to put on that, right? And then after the woman, they wouldn't know, and you can't keep it up. And she start feel away like, yo, wagwan, you know, I know this we did agree to. You are going to turn around now and I'm going to say, she ungrateful. No, she never ungrateful. She's being who she has always been, is you can't keep up with it. And you go give her the impression so you could have keep up with it. So it's the same thing, you know. Me I say with Lisa. Lisa, I'm a little sister. Lisa, I'm a sister. Me I telling her that. I'm a little sister. Right? But when Lisa now go so boom, and I do so with Dapper, when she say cartel come out and she run it pan him 2 times, Lisa cannot have unrealistic. The man in a prison for 13 years, I think Lisa come out and think a fear pum alone, the man fear profile. Yeah, man, it's Vibes Cartel. That is Vibes Cartel. Them man they are sing about the glory and the wonders of Chun Chun for a long time and whatever. And sometimes these women, you know, when time them all in a position and thing and them are going whatever ray, and you said to them, say them be. Look how much man I look you and you're dead over that one, yeah. Right? And now you're going to play a victim. Y'all, this all a whole heap of man who will look you. You clown out a whole heap of man who will look you. But at the one where you want to reciprocate and there with you. Then when the one and there with you, now you're going to say, him no know what him want. Can't take man who no know what him want. No, I know that him no know what him want. Him don't want you like that. Accept it. So again, you know, I'm not talk about Lisa as an individual. I'm saying this is a regular occurrence out there. Right? Ladies, make we keep it 100. If you're going to pick up a high value man right here now, the reason why him is a high value man and you draft with a man there, whatever, trying was a 10 million other woman see it too. And you have to be careful if you go make yourself go down the path, you know, where you start thinking that there is something oh so special about you. Where this high value man is obligated in some way to feature you upon a certain level. Somehow you just feel say because you go all out with your sort out and because you do the something with them, you supposed to be the chosen one. It don't work like that. Enough of you do that something there. Wanna sit down and criticize Lisa and thing and whatever. Enough of you been there another way there too. Wanna have these unrealistic expectations of people who through 100 man are looking, you not sleep with 100 man. But the one where you want now, who is a high value man, you don't want a man stay a long time and when him involved in a long time and whatever, you know, right. And then lastly, before me take some link from you know. Somehow don't have this thing, but him say, but him tell me say, and him tell me say him love me, and him tell me say so and so, and him tell me say if me do this and that and whatever and thing. And wanna not tell the people them, wanna not make them talk there, is that una go on like una victim where Vibes Cartel tell you, where Dexter tell you, where whoever other top man tell you. As if say, you don't have a whole heap of other man and look you. And I tell you the something of them too. But you have the wherewithal and the understanding for say, nah, you can't tell me that. Right? Are you smart enough to let them man they go in your baggy? And them man they make the same talk or even bigger talk than where the high value man I make. So just as how you have the capacity to make some assessment about where all them man they are looking and I tell you, and to reject it, whether you do it passively or overtly, just flat out reject it. And you go around them, somehow now them out them and them too and whatever and all them something there. You know? Just as though you have the capacity to make those choices to do that. It's same way you are making that choice to surrender to this high value man and then end up a ball and I say you're the victim. Because he is not reciprocating to you what you want from him. And again, same thing to the man them. So that is one of the lessons I think the Lisa by the way, if you're not there, everybody make sure so now follow me. Make sure so now follow me. I see some people not there, see there, I follow me and think. June, I follow me. Jim Brown and think. Peggy, Debbie, live up, sitting on there, motivations and them people and whatever. I want to share the video too. Share the live. Share the live and follow me. If you're not there right and I want to follow Master Raga. Follow Master Raga. See me back and black. Back on the BS right now and thing or whatever. And Ray, with there and thing. Anyway, I could see what some people are saying, you know. I could go in on this thing and see if we can bring in some people and hear what the people let me say. Alright, I could bring in Short and Spicy. Wagwan. Hello. Well, Mr. Short and look like Short and Spicy guns. Them people did that wait, you know. Alright, so make we alright, Short and Spicy, you know, there, so make we disconnect that. And make we see, I could see if Tony and there, you know. Let us see if Tony and is here. Here. Good night, Tony and Wagwan. Tony and Wagwan. Tonian. Bring her in, but you look like she gone a toilet. I never bring. Well on. Fast, you know. Fast, man. I wish I never take that picture. I wish I never. Watch your eye. I could bring in somebody else. I'll go see Chrisan. I could bring in Chrisan and see what I go on here now. Could see if Chrisan come in. Why people may I try to bring in some. Chrisan, what I go on?
Don't you know Chrisan if you say I save me? Look how long minute the community to add me.
No, I don't see where I go on. I don't see me there. I want to look at something them and I thought, watch your mind, I'm going to take this severe thing. When I want L.A. Lewis come take the set for me, you know, because that boy like him love take set for people, you know. And I don't eat with him, you know. Who I go on, Seven?
Me there, I am moderator. If you tell me happy birthday, you never tell me no happy birthday. Yesterday was my birthday.
Alright. So well on there. I wish pa you did man.
Silence be hospital, my dead
I
born.
say time to be a hospital like good man or fenke man.
Yeah, come out of the hole and ball up me and get breastfeeding too.
Shove out and beer something and milk up them thing they done. So why go and boo talk to me in the night?
I'm back and make a burp too.
See it there and burp on them. Oh, you mean? Why go and boo?
I'm there. I guess I'm a pass through and give a buzz and bless up yourself and all them look up me. You know, so I have to come and chat to you for a minute. You know my style.
Yeah. Yeah, so but real, yeah. So give me your sound on the Lisa hype, on the point I make about this. Again, you know, this is not about Lisa. It's just an aspect of the Lisa hype thing that I think is.
You there depend on Lisa for all these earbuds to swipe in and out.
All right, you remember you are listening a long time, so you know sound a lie me I tell though.
And them the days that they answer.
Yeah.
You know, say, Frank Cardell Green Days.
Yeah, me a defend Lisa, yeah. And all when time the bossy people them a cuss me about it and thing and whatever.
I'll milk you there.
I'll milk me the defend to and whatever, yeah. You understand? But what you think about the point you make? Because the point is not about Lisa, the point is about people who run down top man and top woman and can't manage it. What you think? What you think?
We woman must put value for ourselves, but then everything we must run down over we can't manage. So by the time in your couple you can reach it.
See it there. See it there.
But then I like raggers with so many times the woman and morals gone to the ground nowadays in a ragga and so that.
No, but it's not necessarily morals. What me I say? Alright, right now if you have a friend and she come pinch you and say, good as friend, you are going. Me know me never tell you, you know. But you know say me and Dexter sleep. Yeah, me and Dexter sat out. I go down and eat sea view a couple times. Him send car come pick me up and bring me down there. And one piece of something me and him a go on with down there and thing and whatever. Me like him, me say, what you would have said to her right there, so no. Well, if she say, me like him, me say me and Dapper sat out and thing. I must say, me think him like me. Me think of me. Well, no, if she, no, well, if she say, me think of me one day with him, me think him want make me upfront woman and thing. What you would have said to her?
Raka, boof me, messy, take where you can get and run, God, and you will never get air, you will not let it front. Hey, look here, Raga, sometimes some woman say, when they get to look at highlight, darling, you take your 5 minutes of fame and go.
You see it?
Don't push your number one.
Don't push your number one. But what if somebody say...
People when I fight, Raga, I'm tell you something, Raga. People when I fight, I always get through. You see, sometimes, Raga, when you're there, I just look past them.
No, but no, it's a good point you make. Because I always tell people, say, there's nothing wrong if you go after where you want, you know. Because you have some people have the confidence in them go after where they want. But yes, at some point, you have to balance that with... Don't try to force the thing. Just juggle your thing somewhere and make it come to you. And make it come.
Like to chase. A long time I did on the street. 17 years me I listen to your Ragashanti.
Yeah. Well, you say man like for chase. No, you know say not every man like for chase though. You know say not every man like for chase though. You know what I mean? Means not a chaser.
You see woman them is Raga me not tell them not tell them Raga.
Yeah, what?
When me see as if me a woman, Raga, I may see a woman push it upon Raga, me a question it. Me a question if me go buy 100 black.
No, that depends. It depends. You're wicked enough. Yo, people, that was an inside joke. Not really an inside joke. She make reference to a mix-up with it, but when we did enough and back in the day. No. I want to tell you, say, myself, I'm bridging to and whatever, like, we not run down woman. When I say we not like woman and draft for them, you know. But we not run down woman, you understand? You know, you have some people not, well, I don't know, show off or nothing, but some people not have to run down the body. You understand what I'm saying?
Me like what that man I said in the comment, man is naturally a hunter. I don't like my friend. Man like to chase.
So well on, you don't think so?
When them get it sitting too easy, when you fling it on me, darling, you may feel cross all my heart and walk with the cross and wonder what is.
No, but when I say All right, put it another. Put it. I could put another way. Well, you talk about man, so I can't even use women as an example. You don't think so that there are men out there who them just in the chasing thing? You don't feel so? You don't feel so?
Raga, me no know Raga, but me I tell you the truth, Raga.
In
Me
general.
grew up on
All right.
this, man. Me grew up on this, and since a man always want dung on the girl. Man, we all walk out 50 mile feet in a Raga cross country situation.
No, they don't know my situation, man. You know, so me walk from Southside Kingston. You know, me not hide. You know that you listen me a long time, right? People, me walk from Southside Kingston, come out on East Queen Street, right? Walk across the turn in a Windward Road. Walk all the way down through Windward Road and thing, go down through Rockford, past Flour Mill, past Cement Company, go all the way up a Harborview, take a left and like me, I go airport and walk go all the way, go Port Royal, 14 miles. 14 miles me walk for look a pum one time and still never get it. So me not gonna deny that. Say that happen. What? No, but so weird. So you don't go for a start out and you don't get it and you stone the place. No, sir, you can't stone the place over.
I regular that.
Well, let me ask you something quick. Are you one of them women when you reach a point and you like him and you and the man are going good? You're one of them women that will want to fight you for your start out when you want fight the man for your start out when you want it.
Yeah, that man. Expect if it go on and it not go on good.
No, you can't do that still, you know. What you mean? No, me not talk about going and not going. Eh? What?
Yeah, man ready.
It happened already? What you do?
One time, man.
Yeah.
Like one boy and a Raga, man. Say, I want to say go for the ends and go. And expectation the eye Raga.
Yeah.
Look up on the shoes, Raga, my skin catch a fire.
Cause the shoe him foot big, so you say yeah.
Yes. Raga, me look disappointment.
I want itsy bitsy.
You know, Vienna suches them.
Okay. So.
And not if he suches them when you boil and get fat in there, one of you boy just stand so Raga.
No, but how small?
Well, that's it. You remember back in the days when you usually use the pencil. You usually take out he'll make like pencil and put in a I can't scratch it in. I saw me feel.
Well, you mean like if the pencil broke and all rub down and thing and whatever, don't?
Yes. I take you and put in a bamboo.
Well. No, some woman, said that, my master's is in...
That the man that can't turn up and...
Hold on. My master's is in psychotherapy, right? And I have to tell you, when I was in Connecticut and working as a psychotherapist, on about 4 occasions, I had clients who suffered traumatic experiences with women because them instrument was on the small side. And then the reaction of the woman was such that it just killed them confidence and thing and whatever. All 2 of them couldn't even rise again and thing and whatever. So me just I said to the ladies them out there,
Raga.
if you hold on, man,
if you
buck up on one little body man and thing, nothing wrong if you're disappointed, nothing wrong, but just be.
And this make me walk for?
No, that's you gonna say, oh Jesus, God, that's you gonna say. No, I would like to suggest that ladies, should you find yourself unexpectedly in such situation, to think about the damage, the permanent damage you could do to that man's psychology, that it might be irreparable. That means it can repair after that, right? So it's okay to say, no, I don't really want to do it, but be gentle and thing, and stroke him ego and thing, since you can't stroke something else, stroke him ego.
He strokes me ear and say, oh, make you stop. You know? Oi, this is my work for.
And that you said to him?
Like that. I see you, Judge Raga.
So it never dead same time after you said that to him?
Raga, remember saying in a boat from there, but they go bloop.
Listen to me, let me take a couple of the caller here. Seven, big up yourself, you know. You're a drama, you know. You never feel for bring it. All right, big up yourself here.
Bless up yourself, Raga.
It goes some man. Love and honor, man. Cool. Ladies, all I'm saying is, if you buck up on one little something, man, I did that. Because remember, you know, by the time, you know, for most women, by the time you end up, I go give a man a green light. It take a little while for you to reach this, so don't. And give it that is the man you chose. If you say you're going to run it upon him, if you had known that, you know, the dimensions weren't up to the minimum standard that you have, perhaps you would not have done it. So if you went and do it, it means, you know, there's some anticipation and fun that you like this guy or you're looking forward to do it with him, whether or not it's a relationship thing or, boy, I'm just sexy and you want him. But if you come upon a situation like that, I would suggest, you know, even if you don't do it, you know, be gentle with the man thing and whatever. I wouldn't know, say, you know, we have a higher standard for man when it come to them, somebody, but be gentle with them and thing. And the same thing for the man them too, you know. If you end up in a situation where the woman appears to be excessively generous with her space in that area, that you know, you be respectful of the person's humanity. I'm just making an appeal that we often hear of people just being mean and harsh and just like unforgiving in those circumstances. And again, I'm not saying that you don't have a right to be disappointed or to feel like, oh my God, this is not what I expected. That's life, you know. But then, should it happen to you, I would like to suggest that you exercise the appropriate care, you know, with respect to the person's feelings when you're getting involved in that situation. Now, I'm just saying. It's just a suggestion and things. Something for y'all to think about. Greetings in the night, Virgin. Where I go down?
Raga.
Yo.
Long time, you know, Raga.
Cool, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, me I say.
Yeah.
Me have a secret boy 10 years ago, but me not say that right now. But
No, don't do that. Don't say, you know, a secret boy me 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So that make you laugh, so.
You mentioned C-word. If you want a secret C-word.
C-word?
Discover beer. Your belly.
No, you know something that. No, I could give them the mix up. I'm going to tell the people. No, hold on. What, you was one of the soldier them?
Yeah, man.
You was one of the soldier them?
Yeah, man.
People. Yo, the man here wicked. The man here wicked. People, you hear the dog, I say, him have a secret about me and whatever. Me, anytime people say that, you know, me always a worry about the woman thing, you know, because boy, they do wild when him there at Jamaica, you know. So I always get boomy and I cut them off. But when I hear, you see, from the general said, discovery beer, people real quickly, me I make him tell you part of it, you know. But people, you know, say, kind of know when they at Jamaica, if a radio, outside broadcast all over, is an entertainment, me keep shows all over. Entertainment same way, me host shows all over. Me perform as comedian, me involved in everything, right? So, one big show did go on and Moby and thing and whatever, and people me don't know what happening, and I'm going to eat up some food down there and whatever and thing like that, you know. And I shot it, I go back in a Kingston, you know, in about, you know, like, you know, I wait, I said, dog, about 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning.
1 o'clock,
about 1 o'clock in the morning and thing, and I shot it, I go back. People.
Me and the female just take over duty.
Yeah, you see it, you're right, because it was a female soldier and a male soldier. And you know, say people, me I shot it, I come back and people, you know, say a piece of diarrhea, take me in the car. You understand, but me not gonna lie, you know. Someone probably not believe me with this, you know. But you know, say, me never do a bush yet. People, me never do a bullshit. God know, me never do a bullshit. So it's like me don't know that's something there. I remember Ragashanti, Dr. Stewart, and whatever. Me not got, so me I shut it, I come back now, I come down, go through Chilani and I come down in a Saint Anne, down to party and think. And people in the area take me and you know that big gas station. What they got out there, son, Puerto Rico. No, Discovery Beer. But
yes, yeah, man. So right, Puerto Rico, man. Remember, with the BSL right next door, Puerto Rico.
Right next door. So I go so boom and I say people desperation. And sometimes dude I come down upon you can't hold it, but you have one next. You have one dude when it come down upon you, you're afraid for poop, Yeah, you're afraid for poop because anyway you poop, say someone come. What on, man? Wait, hold on. Hold on, I must say my face. Wait, hold on, the TikToker drag the slider. Hold on, TikToker.
Put up. Put up 41 and over here.
No, man.
Next certain discussion.
No, man. I put it up already. You don't see it when it's in a TikTok studio live. Jimmy, that's something where you feel slide the thing and whatever. Oh, hold on. Okay, see it. I'm going to figure it out. Okay. Okay, good to go. Validation. Okay. So people, me I tell you, say, it a come down upon me, people. And me I tell you, say, desperation take me some stop out of the gas station. People don't know so the gas station locked down in the night there. The gas station locked. So I saw now me look cross the road and me and say, John, some kind of place over there, so, but it don't look like house, it look like institution. So me say,
all I like them over there.
You lock off all I like them. So people, me I tell you, say the desperation I take me, Now, you know when Dudu come down upon you and you hold it in, you end up as kind of squeeze up your bottom. So you end up a walk funny and I run funny. So me I walk and funny. And me I tell you, say my body stiff up, because it a come down upon my diarrhea, take me, And me never jump the fence. You never have one way for go in. And me jump the fence. I want how me get over. Eh?
No, man, you slide the gate, let the gate kind of slide.
Wait, talk, but me here, me not here. What? How that go?
I said, we left the gate away because some of my man and gone. Not echo?
No, them I say, yeah, echo. You're not echo, man, me not hear you. You're not echo. You're good, man. Go and talk. Who I say, yeah, echo?
We left the gate away, which some of my man and gone to my go-go club, so we left it that so you can come in.
Oh,
so you see, I'm just slide here.
I'm a slide through. So people, at this time, me I tell you, say, the way of desperation I take me now, Me say, no, something I forgot happen over that place because I can't hold it no longer. So, I slide through the place and thing and whatever. And when me look, me just see two shadow come up on me and when me look, me say a gun that, a two big gun that, people can't know, say, it's soldier them are some big, I want to do that, but SLR, when me hold, SLR, me know, I want to do that.
M16, man.
M16. How me look, me see two people that come up and that's me say to myself, Jesus have mercy. Look how me I go do it myself and then I go dead pan top of it. Yo, and when me look, me see a woman and a man. And then no, I want to tell you, the woman first talk, and she said something like, can I?
Who goes there?
Yeah, no, man, she said, I know, who goes there, she did say?
Yeah, man, she said, who goes there? This is a standard thing.
Oh, a standard thing, yeah. I'm say,
I say, me.
I'm say, me. A Ragashanti, who this and when me look, me say, in a uniform, and thing and whatever. And I say, listen, I'm going to tell you straight and plain. You know what I do, I come down. Me just tell them straight people, me say, you know what I do, I come down from the right, and me don't even go around the thing, me just need help. And not easy, because when you not talk to me, my voice up in a desperation, but tell me something, it's training gonna have me gonna do because you both kept a calm monotone. Right? When you not talk to me on the phone, like something like
Yeah.
on the phone, yeah, okay. All right. I wanna pause and then I think of the woman say she look for me good and look for me head to foot and she say, all right, go over there. You never in an excitement or nothing, you know. Don't.
Man, I saw we train, man.
I saw on the train, yeah. Yeah. I want to just very calmly, almost with a low voice, say, yeah, go over there, sir. Go use over there. I mean, thank you.
I will make you use a proper bathroom instead
Yeah,
of on the ground.
yeah, because it's a proper bathroom when they send me in and make me relieve myself and tell you, boy, I tell you, that was a crisis. I would hear that.
You know, sir, I'm straight to you, because I left the JDF for much here now. I left the JDF 10 years now. So,
Yeah.
I don't say about 15, about 12 to 13 years.
No, more than that, you know.
About that?
Yeah, man, no, man, I'm more than that, man. I'm not tell you why I'm more than that. Me know say I taught at I went to UWI in 2001 and I taught at UWI up till 2010. And if probably me never, probably me did leave UWI them time there. Oh, no, probably me did leave.
You are somewhere up in that time there. If I'm not 15.
Yeah, man, no, man, around some 15, 16 years, man.
No, man, about that time.
About then, yeah, around some.
I remember it vividly, you know?
Yeah, trust me, I remember it vividly.
Yeah.
Yo, you know, easy, you know.
I'm big up Francis. The female name Francis.
Francis, the female soldier, Francis.
Yeah, man.
Boy,
Very
Francis.
Strong Christian, strong female.
Yes, man,
Big
Francis.
Christian from them time there.
Anyway, you had big up yourself, you know, Francis. I'll know rate you and respect you, you know, because you saved my life that night, there, you know, good as that, me I tell you, you know, Francis, okay? So may God bless you forever and eternally. Because you see me a little embarrassment that night there and thing and whatever, me I tell you, boy. So what go on, me general? Everything balance up otherwise.
You don't know. So here what go on now.
Yeah.
The people them are requesting back for the thing, you know, because you're original in the thing. You see what I say?
Yeah, man. See.
TikTok space, yeah, you can hold off a little spot for yourself, but don't believe the people them we come after you because you feel like you're going to take over the top and roads, you know, because you can't be thrown away again, you know.
Nah, well, you know.
Germany, me see I play some of your thing and the people them start gravitate back to your thing.
No, you know, say, a whole heap of people out there I play my material and thing. Me not mind them I play it, you know. One of the things I not like is that there's these people that come to me, because you know, say, a lot of these young people, them don't know me, right?
But the young foundation.
No. Like the teenager, them and thing, them don't really know me, right? But
Man,
there's some
you know.
people out there play my material in a way as if it's them is me.
No, man, you have to understand the TikTok space.
No. You know. I'm telling you, there's people who are saying this time, so listen to that man here, he's so funny and whatever. And I'm like, it's me. And I'm like, really? I said, yeah, it's me.
All right, what them do is a talk over thing. So I don't really like some of them take your thing. You know, how the TikTok space is.
No. I know that. Those I have no problem with it. I don't have any problem with those. You know? Yeah. Right? And in fact, with those, some of them, it's kind of obvious. But you have some of them go to them way if you catch a thing with precision and then, you know, them do this thing where, those are the only ones. But apart from that, I see a whole, because you know my people, them are going to send them thing to me.
You have people like Jeremy and Lando, which part them push out a thing and that two good youth them pan up, you know what I mean? Lando do everybody that way there.
Right. No, me not have a problem with them there. All right, may I ask you something? What you think about the one them do, who them just run back the show them period, and them I make money off it? What you think about them then?
Well, this is how I'm gonna say to you, rather. You see what I say? You put the content out there, and people are gonna find anywhere to make money.
Right, right,
You know what I'm saying? You see
right.
TikTok space, so it's there.
Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah,
what I'm saying. It's a
yeah,
dog eat dog world. You see what
yeah,
I'm saying? You
yeah,
set a foundation from a long time, you know, cause you now say your grandfather, but your godfather, grandfather,
yeah. They can call
foundation,
me
OG.
grandfather. I'm a big man in 19
You see
right
what
now.
I'm saying?
I'm elder in
And you
19.
set the foundation, which part before TikTok, and you people could have listened to and a whole heap of fight you get.
No, you know,
More heap
say,
of fight you get.
I always I remind people, not always, but DJ Chris Cross make me know this and thing. You know, years ago him tell me, I am the first Jamaican individual to go live on the internet with a show, you know.
Exactly.
The first, like the first. Them time the YouTube don't even did bullshit. This is some other old man though, right? In fact, the only entity from Jamaica that went live on the internet before me, the only one was Irie FM.
Exactly.
And that was a radio station, and you did have to pay a fee them time there, you know? Right? But separate from Irie FM, I'm the first individual to go live. A Jamaican individual to go live. And when we did go live them time, the live thing, they didn't even start yet. I remember so we did go live with Ustream, which is really a video streaming thing that me just say, yo, man, we just do audio alone, and I saw Outer did boss. You remember Outer, though?
Yeah, man. But remember saying through the radio them they shut you down now. You see
Yeah,
what I'm saying?
yeah.
The radio them they shut you down right through on. Cause you have daytime radio away, you know, you have daytime radio make people now listen to Baba Gludan and them people there again.
And
And you keep Baba Gludan, you know?
no, man, no. Big up Mama Gludan, you know, man. Big up Mama Gludan, you know. Respect Joe, may her soul rest
Yeah.
in peace, you know. And
Yeah, man,
thing, but
Raga,
yeah.
big up yourself, man, always there.
It goes some
No
G.
man, somebody else
Jerome,
come up
large
with
up,
that.
man.
No
Yeah,
man,
man.
hug it up.
Yeah, man.
Much,
Respect for the
much
understanding.
love.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool.
Yeah, I'm always there.
Cool, man. Protection. All
Yeah.
right. All right, people. How about this thing they were show me how long me there on here? I wait there now. Cause me no want no more than an hour, you know. Me no want to no vex. I wait. All right, Jimmy, I wait it. Boy, I still I get used to TikTok all now, you know. YouTube. Them thing. Oh, see, them gone over hour, you know, people. Cause me want post back them show ya. So, I'm going to take like 2 more calls and then we let go and thing. But I'm going to come back, man. I forward, see. I'm there. See, no worry myself. See, the time they're right in front of me. I'm not see what. Greetings, winner night. What's up? Hello? All right, that person in there. I'm going to try that one, yeah. Greetings.
Good night.
Good night.
Raga.
Good night, Wagwan.
What are you doing?
Why am I there? Give thanks, you know.
Okay, so nice to hear from you.
Excuse me, no, listen, listen, hear what, man, hear what? What that for?
Sure.
No, what that for? What that for? Where you
So
come?
nice to hear from you.
No, man, why you do that? Let's sing it, why you do that for now?
Do what now?
Why your voice have to sound so sexy?
But that is all.
Eh? Why your voice have to sound so sexy? You know, your voice has a silkiness to it, you know. Yeah, so I just thought I might share that with you. So how are you doing in the night, you know, darling?
I'm doing fabulous.
Well, you sound fabulous. You sound more than fabulous.
I am fabulous.
You
Raga,
sound...
what if a trouble used to get me in, you know, because we used to work a particular hotel where every room when me in,
Yeah.
every one of the guests, their room when me go in,
Yeah.
the radio station, the fire, sure.
See it
And
there.
take us so me can't clean the people their room, because me have to listen to Raga when me lock the door, me have to run over the other one for just hear the big up and blend
Yeah. Yeah. Them way they don't. You see it. There, man. There. Give thanks and things. So all is well?
Where I come from. You need to come on the internet, man, because we listen to it now and then, you know.
Yeah.
All is well, man.
Nah, man. But you know, so I'm going to be honest with you. Enough people don't know. But most of the time, I really over YouTube upon a channel named TamFam TV. But because I've been doing that for years. No, enough people don't know. Enough people don't know about it. But in fact, if you go over there, pretty much enough of my whole live show them. They're right there. And that's where the people I get my show them from. Right? Over TamFam TV, over YouTube.
Because
So
when we dip on TikTok, sometimes we are here, yeah, and we just put the phone on and listen to the live and I listen. Because we are here about the old mix-up them we use.
no, it's over there them go get them. Over there them go get them. Over there them go get them, right? It's over TamFam TV, over YouTube. And there's a lot of lives that I've been doing all these years. I've been, even when I did law school for 3 years recently, but it's still I do live over YouTube right through. I never stop. But no people don't know, you know. But one day, man, I go do, but me get beaten all the while because people them say, a TikTok, you for there, a TikTok, you would need you more over TikTok.
Yeah,
so.
man, they say you for that. Listen, we don't have no time for no TV, no Netflix, TikTok.
Yeah, I just say thing they don't. All right. No, man, I go do more shows over here, man. And when I came one day.
Take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. All right, blessings. You're cool, man. Respect, cool.
All right.
Yeah, when me come one day, people, you know, the computer when me have, you know, cause me like to use TikTok live studio. And, you know, and it's very resource demanding in some way. So, me get a brand new computer. I build it myself. And the thing up, right? So we're not gonna have that problem there anymore or whatever, you know. So I go just there juggle and thing and do more shows and all these things and things. Good night, hello. I could see where I go. Let me see if the person here come in. Nothing going here. So I can't bring in more than one people, you know, but I just like to do it one at a time, yeah, man. Later on, I do more than one people, so let me see what I go on here. So, I have to see the people that might come in when I accept them, you know. The person then oh, hold on. Okay, hello.
Hello. Good night, Raga.
Good night. What go on?
Boy, me I tell us a long time. Me I listen to you from 2009 for me pregnant.
From you're pregnant 2009.
Yeah, man.
See?
Me wake up early in the morning and do me everything what me have to do. Just get fit sit down and listen to you.
See,
but one of your program then when me can't forget mouth is when the man calling and saying we have a fatty. And him fatty say we want to sit down for him. And when she sit down for him and whatever come down and him black out, him say when him wake up is the ambulance team him see.
Oh no, man, that was from outside, man. That was a call that went viral.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know we have to fix it up because we're there on TikTok. But she did say, man. Remember, she did say, husband and wife people, and them something about them never tried the swiping yet or something like so. And then him go say. Them go say, all right, I could do it the first time. So when them they do it, and I can't go in on the details because of TikTok, but them them they do it, and the position, I can't just listen and just pick sense out of that. So the position where him did inner, him never over it, him did under it, if you understand.
Yeah.
All right, so him dip on feet back and she, the head and foot. You know, what them called 69. And them a do them thing, and him a do him thing. And him say, all him here was him wife say, baby, may I come? And him say, Raga, after that, me don't know what, but me wake up in the hospital and a whole heap of people they around me.
don't want that in bad.
Yo, I mean, say, what you mean? The man say, Raga, the last thing me remember, me hear my wife say, baby, me I come. And then the next thing me remember, me there in the hospital bed, and a whole heap of people wrote me, my wife a ball, and I said, there you come back. And then me ask her, what happened? And she said, you nearly drowned. And she said, BM's a drown, you nearly drowned. The doctor them say you nearly drowned.
The man says shame.
The man say, all these people rode him, and I said, Jenna, we think we're not going to lose you. And the man said, wait, and where it is a hospital here. And when she said, what happened? And I said, but baby, the last thing remember when you said, baby, and she said, baby, we nearly drown, we nearly lose you. We nearly lose you. Yo.
Man, I got that one.
No, that one that didn't go viral, I think. That one that didn't go viral, man, I tell you, man. That one that didn't take your place, man.
Yeah, man.
That was Outada doing, you know.
Yes.
It was Outada, man. Them days that we had the Outada. For those of you who don't know, I used to do a sex entertainment talk show called Outada. We did it for about 10 years. And thing, and when I had Tambourine Radio, again, I am the first Jamaican to, RFM did exist before to have an online radio station. And thing and whatever, So them what are you remember that one day?
Of course, I can't forget.
I want to make you laugh like, whoa, no.
Tell me neighbor, they must have one left me, I'm mad in the house.
The man said, Mama, what am I doing in the hospital? She said, BM, you nearly drowned. Them say you nearly drowned and thing or whatever. Problem. Anyway, bless up, man.
All right, bless up yourself.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. All right, here I go on. Everybody who they are so right and up on the live. Me not in that something that like for bada on for them thing there, them donation something there, I don't really mind thing that, I mean, if no one donate, me not say no. Me use it and buy things for my kids, Robux, my kids them and whatever. But what I want to do, follow me, right? That's all me gonna ask you for do. If I'm gonna come over here and thing, follow me and share the live. Follow me and share the live. So if you do over here right now, you're not follow me yet. Make sure say you lick the follow button right now and follow me, alright? Touch up the follow button and follow me. Yeah, look at that. Look how the thing get busy. Look how the thing get bilious. Yes! Yeah, man. That's all I ask. I want you to follow me, alright? So if you forward, follow me and share it. Follow me. Yes, see, they make me wait for follow me. If you are listening right now, follow me. Yeah. Watch people. Coupon people. No, sir. All right. I'm going to go and do the show and follow me. Let me see what I go on. If you turn up a thing and whatever, I could see what I go on in the night and whatever. Boy, I should remember one sample call, man. The general nearly drowned people. The boss nearly drowned. Big up FPM forever. It's Nicky Real, me say no. Alright, Jerome, large up yourself, Respect and manners, yeah. Miss Riches and Latin 976 and thing and the whole on all contributor and thing who send on the rose and thing and whatever. Just make sure someone follow me. That's all me ask. Follow me, alright? Okay? Yeah, Brian, I see you. Maurice, I see you. Start follow Shanzi and the whole crew. Me see you. Young Lord. Yeah. One God me see you. Tanya Brown. Respect and honor. Ramona Brown. Yeah. Popcorn Jamaica. Large up. KYM sitting. K. Yeah. Just follow me. That's all me. That's the only thing me I got bother on for. Follow me from on over here, alright? Okay, let's go. I could see where I go on. Come in. And we're going to do more TikTok. No one want to sell. All right, greetings. Hello. Oh, well, yeah, well. Hold on there, man. Oh, I try bring in somebody, but in time I not see the people them a come in. I let it go and try somebody else, because I not see the thing. Alright, I try somebody else, because I want the itch. Hello.
Hi, Raga.
Greetings.
How you do?
But so I go and good, fully blessed and the whole works, just very thankful,
Yes, sir.
You see it?
I'm so happy to see you and to hear you.
Oh, this is so sweet of you.
Yes.
See,
And as the lady talked about the story with the man and Nearly John,
Yeah.
remember it so clearly, like
no, man. That was one of the viral calling, man. That was one of the viral
man
calls.
said I'm so embarrassed, peer paramedic around him.
If so, oh, that go.
No, I'm saying so embarrassed when him wake up and see
Yeah.
paramedics them around him.
Yeah, the paramedics, they around him, I think. But why, that is a testament to him skill. I mean, saying, he was doing fairly well to have elicited that reaction from her. We will not elaborate. We will not elaborate anything.
Right.
Those were
I want the people to share up so we can come over here and carry on with yourself.
That's right.
Yes.
That's right. And I solemnly swear that I'll be over here more often.
All right.
Yeah. So somebody say Katie and Baker say a long time I should have come at TikTok. Yeah.
Long time.
But there, man. We is our day here. Hey, yo, yellow. All right. Bless up, man. All right. Respect, man. Cool.
Rather one thing.
Yes.
Say back in the days, you remember a man out of Maypen will come with swipe card in first start about it.
Maypen?
Yeah, man, one man in a Maypen when you used to drive around and play once the program start.
Yeah.
You might be on the speaker.
You mean the day show?
Yeah.
The Rasta man?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, and he bust the swipe card for your show.
Him did bring up the thing about swipe card.
Yes.
You talk about Rascava.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Oh, Rascava get that day?
Oh, him get it.
Me and my friend Winifred. I wish the God she did that. She couldn't hear me now. Me and my friend Winifred.
Yeah.
We are cuss one of our friend, but I paid in something they talk about swiping.
Yeah.
So people are coming at the store and my friend Winifred say, boy, can you swipe on? Yes, swipe card. And the man coming in the store and your man say, I know me I got call Raga show and bust this.
Really? So I saw Rascava come for bust the swipe card.
Rascava say me I go no.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Because if I make him wait before the show start, that man was so committed.
Yes.
Make him wait before the show start.
Nah, man, when Rascava turn up my show, man, and whatever, every day, man. Else. And people around it and thing and what. So I saw the whole swipe card thing. And the rest is history because that. Wow.
Yep.
Wow. No, thank you for making me aware of that because I had no idea. That's incredible.
Right.
That's incredible.
All right, Raga, big up yourself. As soon as we start, we have storyline. Up
blessings, man. And I is our day here.
Yeah, I know that.
Okay.
All
right, blessings, man. Cool. Yeah, well, look at that. We hear about swipe card and I saw the whole thing with swiping start and all them thing there. Well, referring to certain activity as swiping and thing. Yeah, the original crew them and thing. And I know say a long time we unite. People again make sure say if you're there and follow me. Right? If you're not listen to the show and you not follow me yet, follow me. Okay? Greetings, hello.
Good night.
Yeah,
but that's a listen to
Eh?
Just they as them hear them long time.
Oh, you're not
Have a
real. Yeah, talk me could hear you because I think your voice a trail off. Look at me.
our sister was used to love it, you know. And she did interview
No, well, you the on earpiece or speakerphone or something like that?
on the phone and
Yeah, because we not really hear you good. You go in and out.
yeah, me just a long time you know.
Okay.
My sister introduced me. Yeah.
You have a sister who introduced me to you.
They used to use you listen. Yeah, that come here. They used to keep a long time.
Oh, she used to come and show them and I used to keep. Okay, seeing, give thanks. Here?
You man, I hear the Reggae.
There, man.
Yeah, just a thing. I'm big up.
Give thanks, man. Respect for the year, here?
Yeah,
All right, now say a word, man. Safety and protection, you know, all right?
it's the Reggae.
Mad. Cool.
Aye.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you know, people come in and give a little yell and little respect and thing. We're very thankful for that, you know? Yeah. Greetings in our night, yeah. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Talk up. Energy.
Yes, Ragashanti.
Greetings.
Greetings, my brother. One cool breeze on the line.
Cool breeze there. Anna.
Say, my father, I love what you do.
Cool, no?
Yeah, I love the tradition.
Yes.
I love the link.
Yes.
So, yeah, what you do, you just go and drain them stain, fambo.
I must do what? I must go on what?
Drain them stain. Drain them stain. Stain no gain.
Oh, yes, sir. Go and drain them strain, no?
No, not them strain, them stain.
Them stain, go and drain them stain, no?
Yeah, no pain, no gain.
No pain, no gain. We come round here for drain them
man,
stain.
A rain, you make it rain.
I make it rain. Make it rain when we are drain them strain. No pain, no gain. When I can't tell you, it's say, oh.
You see?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But now a different talk you teach them on. What is under my nose? I'm out.
I'm out.
I'm out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Man, I want Gaza fans in my family.
A Gaza, you say, no?
Straight, no bend.
Mad.
You see?
Yeah.
So, you see right now, I want you send a straight up request. And big up the Stony and the Rocky Valley crew.
The Stony Hill Rocky Valley crew. Mad. Yeah.
Long time.
Yeah. The Stone.
Yeah, man, these things are not nursery.
Yeah. The
You
Stony.
see me?
Yeah, the Stony Hill Rocky Valley crew. Larger. Yeah.
And you can shout out to some man like the top 6. Man like
Run it quick. You cannot talk slow, yeah?
yeah. Up top, down below. The whole valley we are talking.
Yeah.
Them know it.
Yeah, them know
We
themselves.
not for sure.
See it there. All right,
One cool breeze I take life with these. Here, Raga.
One cool breeze I take life with these and big up the Stony Hill Rocky Valley crew. It got some man, all right?
Madam mean out and clean, my daddy.
Madam main out and clean. All right, it got some man. Father Raga saying that's fully. All right, blessings, man. Cool. Here, sir.
One chop, my father. One chop.
Yeah.
See, man.
All right, people. When I juggling and thing, I could have take a couple more link before me leave and thing. Me have some clients work for go do and thing. Greetings. Crystal say, Raga, you still look good, man. Me look good. And I say, me a old man now. Look good no fit me, man. Look good no matter to me, man. Me a old man now, man. Me no look good thing. You look good no matter to me. Leave that for the young people, you know. All right, let me see. Okay. Let me see what I go on here. So, I try to whole heap of people there, you know. All right, let me see what I go on here. So, Rooster.
Jaja. What one?
What there, you know, what there I say?
Raga, I swear.
What?
Long day for them on the place. Long day should I there.
It's a long time I should have there, so don't.
Yeah, man. I know you, man, them must stop the bun.
I know the woman them are going to stop give. And you say, what you mean? I know the woman them are going to stop give one because of what?
Because of you, man. Are you sure?
What you mean? Because them are going so busy listening to me and I watch me that them not going to have time for go give one. Don't.
That is it.
That is it. It goes so. They are juggle.
But they went on usually listen, man.
Yeah.
One check come out from the radio.
Yeah.
Works.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
Until it go up on commercial break.
Blessings. Give thanks.
Jaja, if you say alright.
Yeah, man. They are, you know. They are juggling, you know. Busy, I work hard and I do different things and we're happy in our life and we're picking them happy and things. So we have to give thanks, though.
Yeah, man.
Proper.
And big up Fana.
Big-
When I usually talk to Fana, big laugh.
Yeah, man. You know, so the COVID did grab Fana, though.
Jaja.
Yeah, COVID did take Fana, man. Eh?
The little thing they were from overwater. Impressed they were ever call it overwater to my Jews and side.
That a biggie.
Yeah.
Biggie up here, you know. To a couple of days, you know, I go to talk to Biggie. Biggie up here, man. Yeah.
Still alive. My mother still and my mother. I know about you still.
Okay, your
But
mother.
This is not a time.
Seen.
I work and boring, man.
Seen. I saw it come on. Seen. Somebody post and say, Raga, you grow me. Yeah, we grow enough of them out there, man. You see it. And we give thanks, though.
Like, we can't get you.
Yeah. It goes up. All right. Bless up yourself here, sir.
Yeah, man, big up.
Mad thing. Cool. All right. Bum. See, my day I talk about a 1 hour me I come on for. It never work. A 1 hour something then never work. See that be. Hello?
Ragashanti. Go on.
You know some man there?
Let me give you a story time.
Yeah.
Remember when Tambourine family that come on 9 o'clock a.m.?
9 a.m. Yeah. That a new start 93 FM.
Yeah. I said, Raga, my neighbor Christian, you know.
Your neighbor Christian, right?
I never know so she listen to you. Because I turn up, I do everything in the morning.
Yeah.
I wait for 9 a.m.
Yeah.
I'm buck my radio.
Yeah.
You see, one of the time something happen and the radio got chip out.
Yeah.
I hear my neighbor, wait on off radio.
Hey, you say the radio chip all out and say, what you turn off the radio for?
Yeah, Raga, me I tell you, big Christian in the church, you know.
Yeah.
Jesus, I have to ball out Tambourine.
And you know, so them time enough of the Christian them a beat me and batter me, you know, when me I go out with my things them
That
down.
me I tell you.
Yeah.
But them a listen to you and they're quiet.
Oh, you mean? Them they love a mix up on the drama, man. No.
Yeah, tell her, Raga.
We give thanks. Thanks.
Alright.
Those were the
Go big up
days.
yourself.
All right. Blessings, man. Blessings. So, people, you have this brother here, you know. He might look one woman, right? And the woman in her 40s and him in her early 50s. And him a lucky woman and whatever and things like that. So, the woman, it's not a church. It's like if the church a keep something, but it's not a church. And a church, them that keep like a social gathering thing, but it's not church service and whatever. So she said to him, say, well, you know, come man, carry me go at the thing and whatever and so forth. And him say, okay, all right, cool. And she said, you know, but him I say, but me not really, not vex, you know, but me not really a church. She said, no, it's a church event, but it's not church. So you can't just come and whatever. And the man said, yeah, because, all right, me have some business for go look about over the side there. So when me leave, me go just come over the event with you. So she said, all right, that sound good. Auntie. And then she you know, Jamaican woman, and she said, when you come, bring something for me. And him said, what you want? And she said, me don't know. Use your imagination, just bring something for me. And him I said, you know what? No. She said, nah, man. You know want to talk to me and you look me, just bring something for me, man. And him said, oh, all right then, cool. And all right. So she did an event them with her friend, them and thing and whatever. But a church, church thing, but so no, I don't know, careless thing, people dress nice and comport themselves well and thing and whatever and thing. And then she said when she look at the man that are coming and thing and she see him have something in him hand, but she noticed say him a shuffle with the thing in him hand and whatever. And she wonder why him a shuffle so with the thing in him hand and whatever. And then when the man come up and thing, him say, him yell her up and say, what go on, me there, man, and thing and whatever. And she say, what that? And she say, no, yeah, I bring for you in a bag. But she say, but I make you a shake up so with it. And he say, and I really me a shake, it a shake. I want rooster, I want fowl. And she said, wait, what? Him say, no, it's a fowl. Man said, no, we bring a fowl for you. I just said, you bring a fowl, give you same. I say, you the same, I bring come give. She said, but she said, come on, I said, we talk to you. Like, come one side, and she said, what is this? What is this? And he must say, it's a fowl, we bring a fowl. She said, what am I going to do with a fowl? He said, kill it. She just said, but I'm not kill fowl. And he must say, no, my brethren have one chicken. I New York right there about it. My brethren have one chicken farm, right? I'm going to help him kill off some of my fowl and for sell and whatever. I'm going to get one for you. And she said, then even if you're going to bring one, why you never bring one, or then kill and skin and whatever, bring on it. And him said, but me never have time, so I just take up and say, I bring one, I fall, come give. And she said, she have to talk to him like, no, you don't do that. This is America, And she said, even if me there Jamaican thing, this is not something people do. You don't just bring a live fowl, come give a woman who you look. Because she said him nice, She said him nice and him kind and all these things and whatever. But, them look at earthy Jamaican people who, it's like them coming a new culture, but them just bring, traditional rural Jamaica with them. And them just don't, them have that something that when them adjust or, them just be themselves. That's who they are, So where him come from, it's not unusual for a man bring one live rooster or a live cock. Well, that don't sound good, though. A man bring one live rooster, go get a woman, I guess, So him there, you there New York, New York City. You understand, and thing or whatever. So she said she take time with him. And them still attack her now. But because he take telling. And she said, yeah, man, he may have him look at rough edges and thing, and she have to smooth them out and them look at something there, When you can imagine in a little function and you see a man come, well, them never did dead that time there, When you see a man come in and thing, and the man have a life full and bring come give you. Well, and kudos to her because she handled it really well. She could have handled it immaturely. She could have, I don't know you. No. Don't come over here. Don't talk to me. She could have dealt with it. in a less sensitive way or whatever. But so kudos to her because she balanced everything and she bring him one side. I said, no man, you don't do that, you don't do that, You look at woman, you don't bring a live cock come give her. You don't bring a live rooster come give her, I said, don't do that. Yeah, and she said him take telling and be like, no, I never mean nothing about it still, but just, them a kill fowl and some of them did, some of them just bring you a live fowl, type of thing. Hey, no, she said she said bring something for me. Yeah, bring something for me. And the dad and the boss now bring something for her. And so he thinks it. Who will have fowl? Oh, well, let me see what I go on here. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, Raga. Oh my God.
Oh my God, what's up? What go on?
Good night. How are you?
Well, I'm really, really good. I'm just incredibly blessed and thankful. Honestly, I am. What go on with you?
I'm good too. I was
Sound.
just falling asleep.
You just did a job asleep, Oshia.
Yes.
Oshia. I think you did a try
Hello.
You never did a try
I
get
closed
in
my
for some
eyes.
time now, though.
Huh?
I think you were trying to get in for a little bit now and thing, whatever. You're
Yeah,
one
I
of
think
them.
so. Yeah, that's
man.
why.
But there's something.
Anyways, I remember back in the days I was just listening to your show.
Uh-huh.
But I used to come to your birthday party in is it Max Camp?
Mass camp, yeah, we used to keep a show.
I went to the last one, it was the all white.
All white. The last
all
one.
white one.
Was
Yeah,
that at Mass
Mass
Camp or
Camp.
Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center?
I think it's one of them places.
Okay,
I
yeah.
remember, but
Okay.
yeah, but I used to enjoy a show. I can remember every show you have. I used to come to them.
Blessings, man. Them
Yeah, I
man, I
used to
have to give
listen to
thanks for the
I used to
support.
listen to the radio. I couldn't wait to hear you come on. It was so
Blessings.
good.
Blessings.
It was so nice seeing you tonight.
Blessings, man. Thank you. Really sweet of you.
All
Thank you for
right.
taking the time to call in. And I give it a
Yeah,
look of blessings there, yeah?
yeah, man. You take care now.
All right, enough love and honor, yeah?
All right, and then bye bye.
Yeah, man. Protection. Cool. Yeah, well, it's enough respect to the people who just a call in and a show a little respect and thing, and we give thanks. Yeah. Wow.
Good night, Mr. Shanti.
Greetings, sir. What go do?
Yeah, man, me a call from Mile Gully, St. Mary.
You call from Mile Gully St. Mary right now?
Yes.
Layate.
Yeah, man, Georgetown, Silver Spring, Shea, Jessica, Gale,
What?
Park,
What? Athlone. Derry.
Athlone,
Yeah.
Derry, Bonnygate,
Bonnygate.
Unstone,
See there? People
Tappen.
where the money I call from, with the Jamaican who come from Kingston, when you hear Jamaican say, me I go country or up there, so I'm a country, right? Right? If you have to inside of Jamaica to understand the language, because me come from Kingston, but my country come from where my mother born and grew, which is Mile Gully St. Mary. Now, no found no mile. But the other Mile Gully, the more popular Mile Gully there, in Clarendon. Must it's one
Manchester.
of them. Manchester, right? Not Mile Gully, Manchester. This, you hear the general that say Mile Gully St. Mary. And this summer go every summer my mother send me. Because when you're there at town, you have to go country every summer. And you have to go for funeral, night, everything and whatever. But at this summer my mother come from born and grew Mile Gully St. Mary. Listen to me. What go on with my Aunt Peggy and Ma Sedley? You know anything with Aunt Peggy and Ma Sedley?
Them get sickly now, man.
Them get sickly now. Them supposed to in them 80s, you know.
You up in a age. Yeah, man, up in a age now. The Stanfords.
No, they're not the Stanford. Aunt Peggy and Ma Sedley topside them. Topside the Stanford them shop, you know.
Right, man.
Yeah.
Right of the past Adventist church.
Exactly, yeah. What you have to hold the left and go up. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Like you go down to Silver Spring,
Right.
yeah.
Athlone, they call it Athlone.
Athlone, yeah. Why respect for that yearly and thing and what a thing in there, man. I give a shout, man. So you're in a Mile Gully St. Mary right now. Mile Gully, you there?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, you know some of my uncles supposed to up the bunny. And Bunny him name. Him supposed to the right power house there, you know. Cause him build up the house down there and thing and whatever, you know.
Yeah.
So Uncle Bunny supposed to there and thing. Man, I touch down at Jamaica, me I go roll up there, cause I don't know. Me have to visit my old lady grave up there and thing, you know.
Yes, man. Missed it.
No, auntie, I'm an auntie. But my mother is Miss Cherry.
Yes.
My mother is Miss Cherry.
Miss Cherry.
Yeah, I'm a other auntie, Aunt Bibsy there, and then my grandmother, mom, there too, you know. So the 4 ladies, them grave there and thing, you know.
Yes. God bless up.
Yeah, man, respect for the year, sir.
Yeah, man. We're from New Stock 93.
Long time, you know, lock and seal, all right?
Like that.
Blessings, man, cool.
All right, family.
Right. Why, that was very good, auntie. One thing with the internet thing, yeah, you know, it reconnect you know, and kind of, you know. Listen, everybody who is here right now, follow me. Watch ya. We almost reach 1,000. The art, when the art them not follow. I think the art them a follow. No, so you got Jimmy. Jimmy must have gone in bed. Some of the 98.6 thousand. Make it go 100,000 before me leave in the night. We want it to go 99. Jimmy. See Jimmy. People you see him there? Jimmy Q. You see him post and say join our team. Yeah. Watch ya. You think pass 100. But don't ever don't talk and think I'm gonna go say I make it pass 100,000, right? All right then. Big up on yourself for that. So if you not listen right now, follow me, right? Follow me, all right? Blessings and respect. That's all me got bad on the phone. And now, not gonna hear me bad on the phone, no rose and no money, gun and them. And I really, you can't donate, you know, contribute. But you not gonna hear me bad on for them, something there. Because when I contribute, I use a contribute and I buy things for my kids, right? My kids are into this thing, Robux, and them sitting there, them play and whatever. But you have to buy a Robux game for them. So like my little boy, you know, him the 2 state exam and thing, and apparently did well. My second son, KJ, and things, so I promise him Robux. So when I contribute and thing, I use them look at something here and buy Robux for me youth them and thing. But of course, I have to throw money upon that too. You know, I ain't gonna pay a pitney expensive, you know. But anyway, people, I'm not going to stay along to, you know, well, how long am I there now? I'm there like 1 hour and 48 minutes and things, so I could take cool. All right, people, I say respect to Uno who call in and I yell and I reminisce and thing. But if Uno can call in about any little drama, ever grateful, Raga, you're too general, you want it, stop pretend. Ever grateful, don't bright yourself with me, you know. Don't bright yourself with me, you know, ever grateful. Anything me want and thing, me not afraid for some me want it. Right? If me not fussy about something, me not fussy about ever grateful. Not because me get old and I wanna behave myself, you know. Don't pass your place with Ragashanti, you know. Remember the thing, you know. Remember the thing, you know. I don't want you come bright up yourself and prims up yourself and eggs up yourself. People remember them talk there? Prims up and eggs up. Right? I don't want you come bright up yourself and prims up yourself with me, you know. Oh, okay, but we need it and thing and whatever. Man, a hard working man, and that me I tell you here. And we run TamFam Travel Club, we carry people all over the world, Ghana and Thailand and all about and all these things, right? And Ragashanti is a lawyer, know that. You understand? You bright up yourself. I want me to you. Ragashanti host show all over. See it? And oh, by the way, we're going to host a big show down Atlanta next month, the 15th of next month. You know, we're talking about Luciano. Let me tell you what the show name and things. So Atlanta people, your boy, you host that show. You. Wait there. Right. What's going on here? Oh, no. Okay, man. I have some damn phone that sometimes I get confused about the phone them and thing and whatever. Okay. Yes, so Atlanta people, the 15th of next month, yours truly Ragashanti will be emceeing Big Father's Day show. It's called One Love Father's Day concert and thing. The One Love Father's Day concert, and we are talking about Maxi Priest. Okay. Big tune of Maxi Priest. I don't know. Maxi Priest have a whole person, but the one with me love when I'm singing him, Easy to Love, you know. Bad tune that, you know. And thing we are talking about inner circle, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Of course, and then we have Etana, the strong one. And I am not afraid. And Raga, you know, you can't sing. But I don't give a damn. Hey. Anyway, Etana, the strong one, and of course, the boss himself, the messenger, the man called Luciano. Lord, give me strength to face another day, to stay on life road, to carry my every load. Give me strength to carry on. Oh, my Lord. Hey, ATL Lodge of myself again. It's Sunday, June 15. It's the One Love Father's Day concert, and it will be held at the Mabel House Amphitheater. The Mabel House Amphitheater, which is in Mableton, Georgia. 5239 Floyd Road. 5239 Floyd Road, Southwest in Mableton, Georgia. Again, it's the One Love Father's Day concert hosted by yours truly, Ragashanti, featuring Maxi Priest, Luciano, Inner Circle, Etana, Anthony Malvo, and of course, other artists, okay? So Atlanta, look forward to that. We will be having fun there anyway, and people want to support the artists them out there who have them shows, you know. I would love this resurgence in the dancehall community. I would love the maturity that is accompanying it, right? And we love the solidarity that is between the artists, right? Supporting each other, except for we Beanie Man are going with a try draw Vibes Cartel, but I'm glad Vibes Cartel are ignoring. And by the way, Beanie Man, I'm an artist. Well, being I'm an artist or whatever, but being in need for us unity up the thing, the way people are unity up the thing and make a unite up the thing. You know, that's how you Jamaica talk. And make us go and have some big show and make the culture rise and make Jamaica look good and make the professionalism just like exceed the expectations and the stereotypes of all the people and the critiques out there. So I want to support Bounty Killer show come up you know, at the Barclays Center and thing or whatever. So, when I support Bounty show, you know, even though Bounty have me up for certain things or whatever, I think, you know, but, you know, I ain't foolishness, me a big man and whatever, but, you know, go support the Killer show, go support Rodney show, Barclays Center and thing, and Beanie Man show come up at the UBS Arena too, you know, go support Beanie Man show too and thing, and big up Addy who are going with him thing, big up Idonia, and thing, big up Dexter Daps, Dapper, and all of the artists them out there who are represent for the thing and are going well and I make Jamaica proud. Big up Gargamel, big up Sizzla Kalanje, aka Dada, and thing, big up all of the people them out there who are represent for Jamaica and really don't get the respect and the honor what them deserve. Well, except for we say the present government as honored some of the artists, them honor Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, and another year ago they honored Sizzla Kalanje and thing and whatever. So we just want to say enough respect to people like Babsy Grange, who whether or not are party in a power or out of power, Babsy always a big up Jamaica's entertainment, you know, brand Jamaica, and you know, the artists and so forth. So we just want to say enough respect to Babsy Grange and thing. So forth. I have some things I'm not going to talk about later on down. I still think an injustice was done to Usain Bolt, you know, with respect to him money, and all of the other people them too who for money, you know, get teeth up in a SSL, and I don't think the authorities did enough to ensure that some sort of recuperation you know, should have occurred, whether or not them get back all of them money or not and whatever. And part of the reason is because, you know, based on Jamaica's standards, unfortunately, as much as, you know, despite all the accolades that Usain has received and all that he has done for Jamaica, sadly, he's still not in that league where if him losing money, all hands should have been on deck to say, no, we have to get back the people and money and whatever. And we see this type of hypocrisy, you know, manifesting itself in Jamaica over and over, where some people are treated with more respect than others, even when you as a Usain Bolt has done so much for the country and so much for the people. UCN could have lived anywhere he wanted in the world and chose to stay in Jamaica. And this is the thanks that he got. And again, it's not only UCN money. Do remember all the other people money who, them lose up for them money too. I remember say all of the people who thief the money them thief certain people money. Because some government agencies, I think either NHT or some other, their accounts, they them never touch for them account. The Prime Minister, Andrew Onis, he had accounts in there, them never touch for them account or whatever. So whoever did it, them deliberately choose who they consider to be weak fence and who for money them things that them can't thief without consequences and things like that. And then allow some other people. And it's just sad that the other people who for money them never touch are the very people who are positioned in a way, to say, no, we need to aggressively investigate this. Instead, what we're seeing is people distancing themselves from the matter, in order to protect themselves, which has resulted in UCN now go get back in money. That is sad, and every day you get up here talk about you want, values and certain things, and you want people to start behave themselves and things. What you think when the man them out in the road a hustle and thing and a extort people and whatever, when them see them people they are hustle and a rob, so them hustle and rob too, because them know so them don't have access to those channels to access for them people and money, so them take it out upon other people who are do them look hustling in the market, the man them who are driving them bus and all them things and whatever, because the model is set. You understand? So that is sad and thing, but outside of that, we have big up Jamaica same way, and we have some things to say about it, more things to say about it, and when you know me always mix up a thing, all right? Ever grateful, stop call up Angie name, you're yapping away, and SSL is a private company, go away. Are you for go away, man? You see all them people, a jankro them, a jankro them, anytime you start that, they make it political. This a Persia. Yeah. Anytime you start that, them get partisan. Because it have to be about PNP and JLP. Stop call up Andrew name. You're yapping, and SSL is a private company. As if the private company is not regulated by the Ministry of Finance. You damn idiot, you. Right? But anytime you say something, whatever they sound that good, yeah, me say it. Them thief up you money, and the authorities, in my opinion, could have do more for the youth get back some of my money and whatever, and including the other people them too. So go away, man. And nobody come going like you want to come over here, so come bad up anything. Ever grateful put a beer green out, because say my straight labor right. Nothing wrong with that. Big up all comrade, big up all labor right and thing and whatever. But ever grateful nobody come over here and not going like say you want to come politicize anything where you chat. I rang somebody here come with here. I rang somebody here come to that with here. I rang somebody here come to that with, because we're not afraid of no guy and no woman over here. So we talk where we talk. Don't get it twisted. Right? Man, I behave himself right now. I'm an old man and I think now, I'm a mass ragga and thing, but don't get it twisted. We balance up a thing same way. I said enough of them stay, man. Anytime you talk about anything and whatever, if you criticize the PNP, the comrade then come cuss you. Ray, he's a dirty labor right. If you criticize anything involved the JLP, the labor right them come cuss you. Ray, you're a dirty comrade and whatever. That's why Jamaica can't rise with certain way, because of people like them there. But ever grateful, big up yourself still, because you're straight labor right and you're not switch down. And big up all comrade and big up all labor right. Right? Yeah. Yeah, big up comrade and big up all labor right and thing. Big up on yourself. But me understand what I go on with you. That's why when me talk about certain things, I always start with a preamble and say, me don't want to hear nothing from the diehard. Nothing wrong if you're a diehard labor right or if you're a diehard PNP. Don't come talk to me. Don't come talk to me. Don't come talk to me. Because if you criticize the JLP about something, the diehard JLP, as bad as things is, we know wicked and corrupted like the PNP. If you criticize the PNP something, as bad as things is, we know wicked and corrupted like the JLP. Then they come with them and string out all of the JLP scandal them. Then the labor right, they must string out all of the PNP scandal. And you never get anywhere. You can't have a rational, objective discussion with them. So me no argue with diehard people. Me no argue with diehard people. And if you hear me respond to them, it's just for fun. All right? But me respect them right to defend them party. And, you know, if you're a comrade, big up yourself. If you're a labor right, big up yourself. See me here. But me not in an argument, no. Because you can't have any objective discussion. All right? Anyway. All right, I'm going to let go here now, because if I follow on, I stay here. I'm going to take 2 more links, and that's it. 2 more links. Just 2 more, and that's it. All right, let me see if I can get 2 more people. And then me go take me, hello? Hello? Hold on, what that?
Let's go, guys. Move. What's wrong, sir? Your friends are alive, aren't you?
Oh, chat, the person I watch something.
I don't get why I'm here.
Fast, you know.
I almost forgot.
Hey, watch out, Raga.
You don't know, say, I fast. I hear me when I hear you, I'll go start all going with something in that little darkness there, you know.
No, sir.
What go on?
Baby, me I give some tea, me there.
You give baby some tea. Blessings, man. Blessings. You
Right,
give
so
baby
again,
some
me
tea?
20s them. Yeah.
Like, what kind of tea? At what time of night now?
Yeah, man, he might forget him tea while I'm dead.
I'm forgetting tea. What kind of tea you give?
Soy and lactose.
Soy and lactose?
No milk.
Oh, okay. Where you link from?
Montego Bay.
Montego Bay, Jamaica. Big up my Bay, you know. Yeah.
Big up Moby, regardless. Big up.
Yeah. So I go down. Talk to me in the night.
Right, Reggae, remember in my young days.
In your young days.
I'm past my 30s, you know. Yeah, man, I'm past my 30s.
You pass your 30s. That means that when you say your young days, I listen to me. That means you're just a little teenager and you're 15, 16. That means you used to hide and listen me then.
Yes, man, I'm going up to my 20s.
You used to hide and listen me then.
Every day, I turn up the radio in the house.
Yeah.
Yes, until I start live with man. Every day, I turn up the radio in the house. Raga?
Yeah.
My mother-in-law tell his son, say, he tired of me and you up on the radio, so when he go work, he will plug out and go with the card.
Well, say mother-in-law say, you a beer Ragashanti she'll listen to, you know?
Yes, in the radio.
Yeah, beer Ragashanti she'll listen to.
Tired of it.
Tired, right? Right, those were the days. I forgive thanks.
Everybody says to plug out the radio and go with the card.
Yeah. Well, we give thanks, you know. We give thanks. Blessings.
We want some more of them mix up the thing.
Nah, man, we are going to bounce it back.
Them need Carly right there.
Yeah, man, we are going, me just come back to and whatever.
And give it the mix up.
Yeah, and thing. We're going to get in it, man, all right? No say a word, man, but big up yourself, and a little boy, yeah? All right, blessings, man,
yes,
cool.
Man, yes,
yeah,
man, thank you.
Yeah, man, protection, cool. All right, one more call in the night, just one more. I'm sorry, it's enough people dead and whatever, but, let me see, all right. Hello. Let me see what I go on here. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, greetings.
Raga.
Yeah.
You just said it a while ago.
No, hold on. It's like the thing I loop back because you have on either the phone or something, yeah?
I want me to do to make it stop.
No, just turn off the phone, turn off the audio and whatever else you're listening to. Whatever you're listening to the show on. Hello? I think she turned off herself.
Turn off.
Eh?
Turn off the mic, but I don't know if
No, hold on. Are you trying to talk to me on the same phone that you're listening?
Yes.
No, it not go. It kind of difficult. So, well, some phones can do it. It's called mix minus, but some phone don't have it here
Gosh.
because so it's the same channel. What happening is the same channel you're getting your audio from the show is the same channel you're talking to me on. So what happened is that you hear yourself plus what come out on the show. So and then it start feedback.
Well, me will call back on next week.
All right then, blessings, man.
Big up
Cool. Yeah,
yourself.
yeah, man. Cool.
Oh.
All right, one more, and that's it. All right. Listen. Yes, I. Greetings. Hello. Everybody who up on the live right now, if you don't follow me yet, just click follow me right now. Just follow me right now. Everybody on the live right now, if you're not following me, I'm asking you to follow me right now. Good. Me soon I do it and thing. Geisha Graham, Zia, Jermaine, Dale Rose, O'Neill Cameron, and the whole on, all right? Yes, man. Just follow me right now. Yes. Debbie Grant, Nikki, watch people are coming by it. Yes, man. All right? Global Youth, and whatever. So if you listen to me and you not follow me right now, please. All right? Hello. Cherry Berry. Cherry Berry. Cherry Berry. Nah, answer her phone, you know. Cherry Berry, nah, answer our phone. All right, let me see who else there. So now, I try bring in some. Boy, Jimmy, the top system, at work, yeah, you know. Nothing I broke down or nothing. Hello? 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 One more call and we'll let go. Hello?
Ragashanti.
Wagwan.
What a gun. Hello.
Yeah, man, what's up?
I tell you, I just come in from work, trolling on TikTok, see my favorite boyfriend from your pick me and come up, you know.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
Brother, I am so happy to see you.
Oh,
I
thank you.
just tuned in, and as me see you, me have to follow you.
Blessings, man. Give thanks, you know. Give thanks.
You still look handsome.
Me? But me never handsome from the beginning, so answer.
You still, when me a pick me a come up, and me a listen to you. Oh, God. Me used to hide under the back and I listen to you and I raga all of the mix up them come here pick me. Me not supposed to hear them something.
You're supposed to hear the something of them.
But raga.
Blessings, man.
Oh my. I had a crush on you.
You had a crush on me? Why? I can't imagine why. Why would you have a crush on me?
Because you're just rude and nice with the rudeness.
Yeah.
You're rude and nice with the rudeness. I don't know. But it's lovely to see you, Raga.
Blessings, man. Blessings.
And welcome back on the here.
Thank you.
Bring back all of the mix-up them.
Yeah, man. We're going to juggle back, man. All right?
Nice mix-up. Some clean. Some. You know all of them something from long time. We're not getting none of your show them again in the Raga. Much messy behaviors and all of it.
Yeah, but again, I just want to remind you and others that a lot of those old shows, for one, they're all over on YouTube at TamFam TV, right? There's a channel over YouTube called TamFam TV, and a lot of the old Ragashanti live shows them. They're over there. And a lot of people don't know, but I've been doing lives all these years. I've been doing lives. Even when I went to law school, I was still doing my lives, and they're all over YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We couldn't find you.
Yeah, man. A lot of people don't know because the algorithm over YouTube is not as good as the algorithm here in TikTok. TikTok algorithm is just like ridiculously superior to the algorithm over YouTube. Like once we come on TikTok, it's just hundreds of people. Like Brother, what you did there? Brother, what you did there? Me fine here, whatever. It's just like it's just automatic. Once I come on TikTok, that don't happen on YouTube.
True.
Yeah, it
Just
don't happen on
reaching
YouTube.
from work, and because I'm no longer in Jamaica, I work
Right,
in the Cayman Islands.
right.
So
Okay.
I just reach home from work and scrolling and saw my
Give thanks,
longtime
man.
boyfriend.
All right, there, man. See,
All right, Raga,
blessings,
blessings.
man. You take care, yeah.
All right.
All right, then, cool. All right, people. I see a whole bunch of people here and whatever, but we can't go to everybody. But I'll be back. I solemnly swear that I'll be back. I'll be doing a lot more lives over here on TikTok. But again, I want to remind you, I'm on Instagram, Ragashanti on Instagram. I'm on YouTube. There's a Ragashanti channel on YouTube, and it doesn't have much videos there. And the videos that are going to be there, they're going to be more to do with law and current affairs and intellectual stuff. But if you want to mix up content or whatever, they're over there at TamFam TV, and you can listen to your own delight. You can go over there and subscribe. And again, remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, but you can just do that over here. And make sure you follow me over here on TikTok, all right? Make sure you follow me. I see Jimmy Q in the chat, say TamFam TV on YouTube. That is where I have been all this time. For many of you who didn't know where I was, and there's a tremendous amount of content over there. There's uber content over there. All right, but again, I'll be doing a lot more lives on TikTok, right? Because TikTok is something else. I don't know what they do with their algorithm over here, but TikTok algorithm is off the chain. It's that there's an ecosystem over here that is just incomparable, when it comes to social media platforms. It's just, they figured it out. I don't know what goes on the back end, but whatever they're doing, they know what they're doing, because whenever I come here, it's the 800 and odd people have been here before, and it's 2,000 and odd, and it's most of the people who are familiar with me. How TikTok find them, I don't know. But we give thanks. All right, but I'll be here doing more shows and do remember, follow Jimmy Kyoto and DJ Chris Cross and I'm still my party. For those of you who know my little brother DJ Chris Cross, still out there and make sure say Basilia Barnaby Cuff. Me say I did get a beat for listening to you as a child. Osh. Blessings, man. So take care of yourself. And again, and do remember, for any immigration matters, I'm a lawyer and I deal with U.S. immigration law. So you can link me and and of course the link is in my bio here on TikTok. Again, anything to do with U.S. immigration law, I would be the person you want to link. All right. Blessings and You can contact me whatever which way. If you want to contact me over on Instagram on the Ragashanti page, I have to be careful saying these things over here because TikTok not really do well with them something there. All right, take care of yourself, people. I'm out. Cartel say, what is under my nose? I'm out. All right, bless up on yourself, man. Take care. Good. Oh, and again, follow me. If you have not followed me yet, follow me right now. If you're in the live right now and you're not follow me right now. If you're not follow me yet. All right. All right, blessings. Oh, Jimmy, me know. Me just a weird feed cutter. Okay. What happened is, Jimmy, may I make it scroll a little bit so for the people that move for follow me, make them follow me, Shang Shanika Walsh. Please say Tambourine. Island Girl, big up yourself. Blessings. Stacy 86, large up. Blessed Queen, large up. Raga, run it till 12 a.m. And next time, not tonight. Oh, them turn on notifications over here too, and in TikTok. Okay, so when you follow me, also turn on your notifications for those of you who know what to do. So that when the next live come on, you know when I'm on. All right. Island Girl, Raga, you remember me? Trendsetter. Trendsetter, I feel now, still, you have quite a few people with a name that online, some don't know which trendsetter, Nightshade said the legend, the myth. Big up yourself, Nightshade, alright? Carrie Aesthetic says, will you be having a set time? I should. Yes, I'm going to have a set time. What that set time is, let me think about that for a bit. And okay, the great Kevina. Always heard you on radio as a child. This is my first time actually seeing what you look like. And you see some pop down there. Yeah, I mean this. Big head, big nose ragga. Whirlhead. Some people call me whirlhead. Big nose ragga, whirlhead. I mean this. See? You see me now. Alright? And you see some my favor. My favor depression, though. Okay, so much for my self-deprecating humor. Okay. Caribbean Queen. Watching from all the way in Vincy. Big up my Vincy people, let me know. Sharon, I used to go to school late every day because I couldn't miss the show. Those were the days. Cassie Legendary follow though. Okay, Cassie, big up. You are on the road. You are on the road right now. Fambo Canambo. Large up. Where is Sekabakame? Sekabakame is still in St. Anne's Bay, Brownstown, and things. So, Lee Raga, a long time I listen to you from a yard on my knee. Big up yourself. All right. Kay said the Broadcasting Commission can't stop you upon this app. Never. When is the next live show? I don't really know right now, to be honest with you. I'm just people. I'm gonna be honest with you. There's a lot going on in the United States with immigration. So and that is what I do. I do immigration law, and consulting. Right? I'm a lawyer. For those of you who don't know, and I'm really busy. I'm just like crazy busy right now. And, but I do the show when I can, All right. So I'll definitely be back. I'll be doing a lot more shows over here. And I'm going to set the time, Seki and Sassy gave the two biggest mix-up back then. Sassy? Which big mix-up Sassy did get? Sassy is doing so well right now. She did about 6 years in the United States military, and she's out now and just making great strides in academia, and two beautiful kids, and just doing really, really well. I'm just so proud of the TamFamers who have grown up and matured and just doing life in some beautiful ways, some amazing ways, and things. All right. All right, bless up on yourself, people, and thing. And again, just spread the word and make people come in and follow me, okay? Again, me not go bad down if them rose something there and them sitting there and them media show up when any of cup of baseball. Them all have one year, I'm so hungry. And star and whatever. But what I'd ask you to do is to follow me. Okay? Make sure you follow me. All right, I'm going to end the live now. I'm just wait for some people follow me, you know. That's why I'm in the end here. I see some people still follow me, so I give them time. I look at time. Fambo, big up yourself, you know. I'm gonna say you are gonna become king of this app after the first show. Just watch. I say a word, man. Respect for the endorsement and the support straight. Alright? Anna. Jimmy Q. Enough thanks, you know, my brother. Large up yourself, man. Alright? Katie, God bless. Raga, hang up when you're ready. LOL come. Nah, come on for the live. Sweet pea, sweet pea. Hey stranger, where you been? Happy to see you. So when is the show starting? Come, I can't miss it. I'm a damn man, Don't worry yourself, man. I'm a damn man. Kimoni Robinson said, nah, left, you know. A long time I wait. But I have to leave, you know. I forward, man. I want myself, man. See? Great P6. The big man is back. Original Raga. Oh, you mean? Charisthetics. Raga raised about 2 generations. And the third coming. Justice of the Peace, when you're coming back, I'm actually back, you know. But again, I'm just keeping it 100 with you. I work, you know, I have to take care of my obligations. So again, I'm an immigration lawyer, U.S. immigration lawyer. So I am very busy. And I also run a travel club, you know, where I take people in different parts of the world, you know, do learncations. And my favorite one is, you know, take groups to Ghana and things. So I am very busy, quite busy. I'm taking another group to Thailand in November. So I'm doing several things out there, you know. And I do my consulting and I host shows still and whatever, you know. Still a happy camper, doing what I love and enjoying life and taking care of my responsibilities and so forth, okay? But I will be doing shows on TikTok more, all right? Because TikTok have an energy where the vibes over here proper, you know? See it? So I'm going to there do more show, man, all right?
take so long to open down the window? Open the window.
Because I'm scared.
Are you hiding something, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am, are you on anything?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Why are you sleeping in a parking lot? A parking lot is a parking lot and not a place to sleep. You're not an animal, okay?
You don't have to be so harsh. I'm a single mother. That's what I am.
A single mother that's sleeping in their car?
They got kicked out of her home.
How
Come on.
long you been sleeping out here for?
I don't know, maybe a couple days.
Ma'am? Couple days?
Yeah.
For newborn?
Yeah. I have nowhere to go, sir. I have no family out here.
Ma'am, I'm about to...
What do you want me to do, sir? I have no
Ma'am, I
family
think-
out here, sir.
How many days? How many days?
Like 3.
3? That's not good for a child.
I'm aware of that, sir. I'm a great mother, but I have nowhere to go.
Do I need to call
Call
Child Protective Services?
who? I'm a great mother, so absolutely not. I'm taking care of my child. I just have nowhere to go.
Okay, I have a question for you. Do you have any job interviews lined up?
No, not at the moment. I don't have a baby.
So how are you going to provide for that child?
Sir, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out where am I going to sleep, what am I going to eat. I don't know, sir. All I had was me and my husband, and he replaced me and moved in a whole new family. I know you probably don't care, but he replaced me and my child and moved in somebody else into our home.
Okay, ma'am. Have you tried homeless shelters?
No.
There's some good shelters out there that can provide the services that you need.
No. I'm not taking me and my daughter to a homeless shelter. Absolutely not, man. No.
Okay, ma'am. I need you to calm down. I need you to calm down and not raise your voice at me.
Okay.
Okay?
Sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm just overwhelmed.
So what's the plan? What's the plan?
Oh, sir, I'm just trying to catch up on sleep. I'm trying to think. I don't know. Right now. I just need like a day. I need a day.
You need a day.
I need a day, please.
You need a week. Is a week enough time? Is that enough time?
I need a week. I need a week to think, to figure things out, call up some family, maybe get out of... I don't know, sir. I don't know. I need help.
Do you have enough money to drive back to home? Where you're from? Gas money?
I'm on E right now.
Okay, ma'am.
I don't know where to go. It's me and my child. I'm a single mother. I've never been to this before. This is hard. I don't know what to do.
Okay, ma'am. I have a plan for you. I need you to listen. Okay? I need you to go back to a place where you have some support. Okay? Right now, it looks like you're struggling, and you don't have the necessary things to get there. So what I'm going to do, me and my partner have been seeing you parked out here for a couple of days, and we saw that you were struggling out here, so me and my partner decided to take money out of our own paychecks to give you the resources, to give you the support that you need for you to get some help, for you to figure it out, and for you to take care of your child. Me and my partner are both from single mother households, and we know how hard it is.
And you know what I'm going through.
I do know. So, my partner right there has a bunch of stuff for you, for your baby, some food, some money for gas, and money for motels. I need you, and you have to promise me that you need to drive back to where you have support.
I will, I promise.
And take care of your child.
I promise you guys. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, thank you so much.
I'm sorry for being so aggressive
and I'm so sorry. I was just overwhelmed. I'm sorry.
Have a good day. Get out of here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Roll down.
The internet. When is my next trip to Canada? I don't know. Oh, the person says she white. No, she's not white. She's black, actually. And both the police officers, they are white. With the thing that I was just watching. Okay, good night. Like, finally, good night.